Hinay-nayo nila. Kuaan na hindi na amo ni aton abrahon. It's a teamwork. Unfortunately, it's also applied in our team. Yes? Sa inyong grupo, sa inyong teaching profession, there are some Marites and Marisol. And mind you, when you're doing your thing, they will criticize you. They will do everything to destroy you. Yes or no? Pwede ka kapangakik, pero wala ka may mahimo. If you get angry, you cannot do anything otherwise. So, why you get angry? Parehas naman bala sang kagat ka sang, sang manog. Dalaga, no? Numan tong manog.